Thanks for watching Laundry Room Shelving. That's what I'm showing you guys, what I did to my laundry. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. This whole project cost about like 140 bucks, maybe less. So you got stain, dark walnut. And then over here I had 2x12s, a thick piece of wood. This is like $15 a board. I can't believe how cheap that is. But I ripped off the edge. You can do that if you want to or not. So it gives it a square edge. The edge is rounded, but you can put this on a table saw and cut off like a 1/4 inch. Locate the studs or use drywall anchors. Look up drywall anchors if you don't know what they are. And they're cheap, they're like 10 bucks. You get like 40 of them. Each little anchor behind this holds about 60 pounds and they vary. So I stained these dark walnut. Also, I want to go over here and show you guys. This has got a real cool look for a laundry room. And then also I had a glass bowl up there. I can show you that at the end of the video. And I stained it. I stained the glass the same color as the dark walnut. So over here you got these racks that I made. This is a 2x4. Ripped off the edge so it matches this. Use a level when you're building so your stuff is straight. If you guys don't know that for the beginners. Dowel rods right here. I have a drill press in the garage so you get a nice straight, what do you call that? Drill in there, yeah. So over here on the tip, I put a little screw. So that way, whatever you're hanging here, if it's clothes and stuff, it won't just like slide off. So it's a tiny little screw in there. You can get a pack of those for like $1. You can get like 50 of them. Amazon, of course. I think that's about it. These things are pretty solid. Where I was able to locate the studs in the wall, I did. I could do that just by knocking. And when you knock and you hear a hollow sound or a solid sound, or if you look for receptacles. If you find a receptacle, they're usually next to a stud. So that's hollow. That's more solid. The stud's right here. So you know that. You could take a level and go up the wall. That's probably how I found that sucker. Anyways, that's about it. So I think I went over everything that I did over here. Oh, I also mounted up this little Dyson handheld next to the receptacle. And I put one of those little peg things over there also. That way the wife doesn't say, hey, there's nothing to hang up here. So I don't want stuff on the floor, you know, cluttered. All right, that's about it. So if this video helped you out with one thing or another, just give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you that glass pendant. And when the light shines through there, it's gonna look awesome when it dries. So same dark walnut. I might hit it with one more coat. That way it matches better, all right?